Where'd you guys just come from? We just...
Welcome aboard Friendship 5. We're on the way around the World Showcase Lagoon, going from Canada to Morocco. During our trip, please remain seated and refrain from smoking. After we drop off at Morocco, the boat returns here to Canada. That's our 2 stops. There's a different boat going from Mexico to Germany on the other side of the lagoon. Both of our boats run till 7:30 last pickup. After 7:30, the boats stop running and they set up fireworks out here on the lagoon for our nighttime spectacular show, Illuminations, Reflections of Earth at 9 o'clock. Rain or shine, 9 o'clock for Illuminations right here on the lagoon. We're passing by Canada that has a 360-degree circle vision movie, Oh Canada, hosted by actor Martin Short. Coming up at the Mill Stage, we'll have Canadian Celtic rock and roll with Off Kilter coming up at 2:30, and several times after that. Next door at United Kingdom, the Rose and Crown Pub has good food and cold ale. Stop by and be entertained by the Hat Lady at her piano pub music. Just past the bridge on the right is the International Gateway, the back exit for Epcot. Just outside this exit, there's a boat that takes you to Disney's Boardwalk, Yacht Club Beach Club, Swan and Dolphin, and Disney's Hollywood Studios. Every 15 minutes the boat moves. Up ahead at France, stop in for their movie Impressions de France, a movie that celebrates the beauty of the French countryside. A great restaurant over there, Chefs of Paris. Stop by the wine shop for wine tasting or the bakery for French pastries. The kiosk on the street has escargot, creme brulee, le coq au vin. Our destination, Morocco, next to Morocco, Japan, and then American Adventure that has Eat to the Beat concert series tonight, featuring Dennis DeYoung, the singer from Styx. Dennis DeYoung at 5:30, 6:45, and 8 o'clock at America Gardens Theater. Please remain seated while we dock the boat.
Alright guys, this is our stop for Morocco. Again, please check it out. Make sure you have all your belongings. Have a great day.
Come on now. This is the last
everything goes back to Canada. Don't go anywhere. No, Canada's where we started.